Hey there, it's Mr. Bluebeard, Josh Bentley, and I wanted to take a moment to make sure that you are aware of some of the new functionalities in this platform and what we have to offer. I'll be your guide as we explore not only the features, but also some insider tips and tricks on how others are making the most out of this place. To kick things off on your SAP Community journey, check out the Tour the SAP Community tutorial. Head over to community.sap.com, click on Get Started, and then All Resources. Scroll down until you spot the Tour the SAP Community tutorial, and then click on that link. But I'll also make it easy by putting a direct link to that into the notes of this video. And we also have a lot of other tips in a minute videos that we've published on YouTube, so please check those out as well to get more familiar with the SAP community. In my upcoming videos, I'll be delving into some essential topics like settings and preferences and notifications, how to subscribe to specific content or how to join a group, how to use a managed tag page, including how to subscribe to a managed tag, and many more. But if there's something else itching your curiosity, hit us up, drop a comment on this video, and stay tuned, because here it's all about making your SAP community experience as awesome as possible. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.